What's up, everybody? Just another night down here with Tools with Big Josh in my basement, in my workshop basement. If you know, we've been testing the Ceenr batteries, and our first test came out pretty good. I'm gonna admit, a lot better than I expected. So I want to get right down the brass tacks and get numbers on them. So we're going to be torque testing. That's the torque meter. This is the Bosch Core 21700 cell battery. It's not quite fully charged, but that really does not matter. This is the Ceenr 21700 cell battery. That is fully charged. We are going to be driving 1/2 inch by 8 inch Spax power leg, okay? And the drill we're going to be using is the Bosch Compact 400, okay? We will be testing its peak torque. No pilot holes, no games, no baloney. Just pure torque. Oh, sorry guys. Speed 1 in drill mode. That is 14.1. 14.1 for the original Bosch battery. Let's see how that Ceenr battery does. Alright guys, we're back. We got the Ceenr battery and the drill. We got another power leg here. As you can see, this was the original battery. We will be testing the Ceenr Bosch battery, replacement battery, on its peak torque. No pilot holes, no games. Oh, sorry guys. Speed 1 in drill mode. And that is 13.7. Oh my Lord. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. It was pretty close driving them here. Very close, and it was very close on the torque meter. The original Bosch battery has a slight edge, but man, that's really close, and I'm actually a little bit impressed. Like, I think I'm gonna have to start eating some crow. This may be the best replacement battery on the market. Not gonna say that quite yet. We still got a lot of testing to do, but so far, so very good. See y'all in the next one. Like, subscribe, you know, all that jazz.